Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the new Futurist Skin Tint Serum Foundation from Estee Lauder. This foundation claims that it has a light coverage, an SPF of 20, gives a radiant finish, and it's supposed to last all day. But does it do all that? Let's find out. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen color scale, I give this foundation a 4. This foundation went on so easy. It had a water-like texture that blended without any effort. I was also impressed with the coverage for being so light. It made my skin smooth, hydrated. I also love that it has sunscreen. The things I don't like about this foundation are that throughout the day, my pores started to show through and it seemed to gravitate to texture. But this can be remedied with primer and setting powder. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is normal, dry, and very dry. I do not recommend this foundation for oily skin. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.